All right, here we are, Cam. We have got a complete line here where we go from raw material right through into a stand-up pouch, checkweigher, X-ray, collection turntable, and then we're going to case pack. So we have a case erector. We're going to put 24 of these stand-up pouches into each case, close the case, and then eventually allow a palletizer in the second phase of this line. Also, we have a vertical form, fill, and seal for this entire solution. So the bagger will switch in and out. This is currently the pre-made bagger right now. So on this pre-made bagger, this can actually roll out of the way, and we can put in a vertical form, fill, and seal that can run 85 pouches per minute. So we're going to do a quick walkthrough. There's also, a gas flush nitrogen generator right here that goes with the system. So these are the smaller products. We've got the grid here so that if we have any clusters already pre-stuck together, we can break them through. They fit through here, then they'll fit through the opening of the chute down into the bag. We go up, we have a 14 head scale dimpled. So we're able to run here for a couple minutes. So I will come over here and press go, and then I will walk through everything that we're going to do. So we have a central control panel here. We press run, and then stuff starts happening. So we'll pick up a bag. We can print on the bag right here. Falls down. We're doing 44 bags per minute. So this scale will empty out. We have a sifter pan here to get the little extras off of the system. We collect them, they can be reused for another project, another item. Again, this is our scale, 14 head scale. As you can see, we've already emptied out the product. It goes quick at 45 bags a minute. So we go over independent checkweigher right here. X-ray machine from Roma. Then we have our pack out with our case erector. Eventually, we are putting the second phase of this, we are putting a robot here to automatically pick up the pouches, put them into the case. As you can see there, we close the top of the case automatically. So this is a full turnkey solution from Cam. And again, we switch out the pre-made bagger with a vertical form, fill, and seal. So the customer is able to do vertical and pre-made pouches. They will manually pack on phase one, and shortly thereafter we'll have the robot that's going to do the case pack. And this, of course, lends itself for an automatic palletizer right after this solution. We are also able to do display-ready cases for these, where they're all up on edge, both vertical and pre-made. And there you go, complete system from Cam. Extremely reasonable, but yet high productivity. Let us know how we can help you.